Hey, it's Nathan, and today we're going to do bike check. So, I'll just start at the front and work all the way down. These are felt wheelie bars. They're 28-inch wide, 8.25 rise. I've got the Oddesy Iron Ross signature grips, really soft and worn down now, pretty good. With a tektro leather and a felt white cable. We've got the felt front loader stem there, and a Cane Creek headset. We've got felt Cromley forks, a felt white front 36-hole rim, I think, with black spokes and a hub, and Max's Max Daddy tyre there. Moving along, the frame is a felt Shazamo 9 frame, 20.5 top tube, I think. Matte black, really light. Yeah, and then these are felt tubular cranks. I've got 70s plastic pedals in black, felt Spacely Sprocket, black 25 tooth, KMC chain, the white cable again there, felt brakes with green felt pads, 9-tooth driver on the back, on a felt rim, this time 48 hole, with polished spokes, and again a Max's Max Jelly tyre. Up here, felt seat clamp and a United value padded seat. Keeps my ass nice and cushioned. It's pretty nice, pretty light. And yeah, that's my bike. Overall, I think it weighs about 24-25 pounds. It's feeling really light at the moment. I'm really liking the 70s pedals, because the other ones are felt pedals and they were really harsh on my shins. So these ones are really nice, really light. They're not too slippy. They've got quite big pins on them. So yeah, that's my bike check. Rate, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.